Here are what we want to achieve after finishing the course. Understand why should use Docker. What is Docker? What benefit we got by implementing Docker? How it works and how it is compared to other technology like virtual machine. In this section, I will explain all of those questions in the simplest and practical approach. Create your custom Odoo Docker image. Step-by-step explanation on how to create your first custom Docker image containing complete and running Odoo version 13. We start by downloading the official Docker image from Odoo Docker repository on GitHub. Then modify it and adjust to what we need. Like install your custom add-on from a running Docker container. Embedded with your custom add-ons. Here, I will teach you on how to include your custom add-ons into your custom Odoo Docker image. So that on container start, it will have embedded with all of your custom add-ons. Mounted to host folder for additional setting and persistent data. Here, I will teach you on how to mount the local folders on your host machine to the container for maintaining persistent data. Run it manually or with Docker Compose. I will explain in detail how to run Docker containers either manually using the command line arguments, or automatically using Docker Compose. Make it private on Docker Hub. So, when you have the complete custom image and you do not want everybody on the internet can access your custom image. You need to restrict who can pull the image. Here, I will explain the simple step to do that. GitHub integration, automatic create new image on GitHub commit. Now, your add-on source code keep updating for new features and version. How to make the Docker image to keep updated with the latest version too. Here. I will teach you how to make the image to be integrated to your add-ons GitHub repository, so that on every repository commit and push, you have the latest version of the image containing the latest version of your add-ons too. Pull the add-ons automatically from GitHub on start. Here, I will teach you how to make your container to pull the custom add-ons repository on every start. Clone the add-on automatically from GitHub on start. Here, I will teach you how to make your container to clone the custom add-ons repository branch on every start. Okay. Hope you will become a Docker master after finishing this course.